What's up, Gearheads? Noel here, and welcome back to Hammerhead Gearhead. Today, we are taking a break from all those reviews of cameras and lenses. If you remember the previous episode, we talked about the LG 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. So if you want the most out of your gaming experience, you'll get that plus this one. This is the Secretlab Quiccs Edition Omega gaming chair. So today, we will unbox, assemble, and demo it for you. But wait, there's more. We are actually filming with the Canon EOS R6, so thank you bad boys of Canon, and I will be doing a review on this camera as well. Plus, we are also using nanlite pavo tubes like here. This is cyan, orange, and light yellow, so if you want to see how they look without the key light, there you go. This is how you can use them to accentuate any of your lighting setups. Back on. Cool. All right, back to this baby right here. Please like, subscribe, and crush that notification bell. This is actually the second feature that I'm doing for a Quiccs related product. The first one being a first impressions video on his tactical half mask. You can check out the link here if you missed it. In fact, right now, I'm wearing one of the latest from his TEQWear line. So it's quite ingenious. It's a hoodie, but it has holes for your thumbs, and it has a neck gaiter. Plus, if you put the hood on, it's quite ninja. So if you haven't heard of Quiccs, then here is a Quiccs backgrounder. Quiccs is an internationally acclaimed toy designer based here in Manila, Philippines. His Bulletpunk and TEQ63 line have caught the world by storm, with his toys reaching various corners of the globe. He recently partnered with Adidas as the first Filipino creator to be collaborating with the brand. Now how about Secretlab? Secretlab is a manufacturer of premium, pro-level, and incredibly comfortable, they're just heavenly gaming chairs. It was founded in 2014 by two former professional StarCraft 2 players who were dissatisfied with the options in the market. They have been known to be the brand and name behind the most ergonomic and comfortable chairs in the world, with many awards on their belt and partnerships with different games, developers, and teams. By the way, if you are wondering where we are right now, we are in the Tower of Doom Studios. This is our new digs. It's called the Mansion of Doom. We just need a bigger place where we can unbox such a big product. So Carlo and Eric, thank you very much for having us. Now let's unbox. So it says here that having a friend to help makes assembly extra easy. So to save time, I'll have the crew help me out. Let's go, guys. Okay, this is the first chair I've seen that comes with this toolkit, this impressive toolkit. That is heavenly. No, that is the good life. All right, so let's dive into the features of this chair. It has improved cold cure foam mix for more support and better comfort. It also incorporates Secretlab's Prime 2.0 PU leather. It also has upgraded metal armrests, also with PU padding. It has a memory foam head pillow. It also has great lumbar supports. You can also adjust the height, base tilt, recline, armrests, and pillow for superior comfort. And that is it, the Secretlab Quiccs Edition Omega Gaming Chair. This is a premium, pro-level chair that provides unprecedented comfort and support. This is a solid chair and you can really feel the quality shining through. And of course, representing my homeboy Quiccs. If you want to see more of my work, head on over to my Instagram, Noel Guevara Photo. Thank you guys for watching, and as Quiccs says it, I will see you in the other side.